Okay, stand up, please. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Margarita Anatольевna.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I am fine, thank you. Take your seats, please. Tell me, please, Pauline, is anybody absent today?
So Georgi is absent today.
Mash, what date is it today?
Today is 17th of January.
Of January, What day of the week is it today?
It is Friday.
It is Friday, exactly, right you are. Today we are going to revise some words which are based on the topic weather. Then we'll pass on to our favorite topic, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. We'll discuss its geographical position, its main cities, and its population, of course. But first of all, please have a look at the screen. Let's brush up our knowledge on this topic. What is the weather like today? I want you to match the words with the proper pictures. You should name the word, match it to the picture, and translate it into Russian. Alon, let's try to. Windy. How can we translate it? Ветрено, совершенно верно. Find the proper picture. Sure. Draw an arrow, please. Well done. Let's put it like this. What's your choice?
Freezing.
Freezing. Морозно, exactly. Well done, thank you. Who's next? Marin? Sunny. Do you like sunny weather?
Yes.
Okay, be quick, please.
Rainy.
Rainy. Is it rainy today?
No.
No, it isn't. Who's next?
Foggy.
Foggy.
Туманный.
Exactly. Have a look at this picture. Foggy. Well done. Please, Mish. Cloudy. Облачно. Вероника. Warm. Exactly, well done. And the last, Mash, please.
Cold.
Cold. Is it cold today?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Thank you. Now let's brush up our knowledge. Repeat these words after me, please. Warm.
Warm.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Cold.
Cold.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Windy.
Windy.
Sunny.
Sunny.
What is the weather like today? Marin, is it warm today?
No.
No, it isn't. Is it cold?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Well done. Great job. Now we pass on to the tongue twister. Now repeat after me, please, line by line. Whether the weather is good.
Whether the weather is good.
Or whether the weather is not.
Or whether the weather is not.
Whether the weather is cold.
Whether the weather is cold.
Or whether the weather is hot.
Or whether the weather is hot.
We'll weather the weather.
Will weather the weather.
Whether we like it or not.
Whether we like it or not.
Now 2 lines after 2. Whether the weather is good or whether the weather is not.
Whether the weather is good or whether the weather is not.
Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot.
Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot.
We'll weather the weather whether we like it or not.
Will weather the weather whether we like it or not.
Great. Who wants to try? Polina?
Whether the weather is good or whether the weather is not, whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot. Will weather the weather whether we like it or not.
Whether we like it or not. Exactly, Veronique.
Will weather the weather whether we like it or not.
Good pace. Well done.
Will weather the weather whether we like it or not.
Ань, repeat after me, please. The
The
weather.
weather.
Whether the weather. Whether the weather is good.
Whether the weather is good.
Okay, thank you. Now it's your turn.
Whether the weather is good or whether the weather is not. Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot. Will weather the weather whether we like it or not.
Whether we like it or not. Exactly. Now please have a look at your handouts. Here you can see the dialogue. You should complete this dialogue using the words from the box. Fill in the gaps, please. Mind that there are no odd words. There are 6 gaps and 6 words, or there are 7 gaps and 7 words. Do it in pairs, please. Be quick, and then we'll check it. How are you doing? It may be nice or it may be warm as well, isn't it? Weather forecast, прогноз погоды. I think the usual start of the dialogue about the weather. It's a nice day, it's a nice morning, isn't it? So please, you've mixed these 2 words. You're ready? Okay, your dialogue, please.
Hello, Nee. Glad to see you. Hello, Bob. What's the matter with you? You look so tired.
Yes, I'm a little tired. I took part in the skiing trip. It was difficult to ski today because it was snowing hard.
Yes, such weather isn't good for skiing.
But if the weather is good, it's a pleasure to ski in the forest in winter. Trees white with snow look so beautiful, forest so beautiful, and air is so fresh and clean. I always enjoy such skiing trips. Join us next Sunday if you like.
I'm not good at skiing. I am afraid.
Never mind, let's go.
Okay, thank you, girls. Well done. Please, Anna and Veronica.
Hello, Carlos. Hello, Dick. Lovely day, isn't it? The first really nice day this spring, and not windy as it was yesterday. Yes, a warm day. What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Do you know?
Yes, it says it will be bright and sunny. Great, nice weather for a picnic. You're right.
Very good. Once again, all together, please. Forecast.
Forecast.
Weather forecast.
Weather forecast.
Weather forecast.
Weather forecast.
What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Какой прогноз погоды на завтра? It will be windy and snowy. Okay, thank you very much. So please put away your handouts with dialogues. We do not need them anymore. And take the handouts with the 3 tasks on them. These are. Pass 1 to Polina, please. Thank you. Okay, take pens or pencils as you wish. It's up to you to decide. First, listen to my explanation. We will watch this video for 2 times, I suppose, and there are 3 exercises, 3 cards. I've named them so in your handouts. We should watch the episode, then I will ask you some questions, some general questions about this video, and then we'll watch this episode once again, and you will complete these tasks. Have a look at these tasks, please. They are on the screen as well. The first task, card 1. How many people live in each part of the United Kingdom? Country and population. Population. How can we translate this word? Population. Население. Right, you are, Marin. You should fill in the blanks with the proper figures, the numbers, and words. The next task. Fill in the gaps with the necessary information. Capital, population, head of government. Head of government. Government, what's this? How can we translate it into Russian? Правительство, глава правительства lives at. At what street? Head of state. State is государство. In this way, да, в данном случае. Head of state, глава государства. Where does she live? And the next task. Complete the sentences with the numbers from the box. You've got 5 sentences from A to E and 5 numbers, so do not mix them up. Now we pass on to the video.
Hello, I'm Leonie Dodd, and welcome to Window on Britain. What do you know about Britain? How many people live here? What's the capital city? What are the names of other famous cities? The answers are in this programme.
This is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. That means England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The population of Britain is over 58 million. 49 million people live in England.
Check the first task together with you. Somebody will put the right variant on the blackboard and the others will check it in their handouts. Who is the bravest? Veronique, let's check the first exercise. How many people live in each part of the UK? England. Here we should write. Well done. 49 million people live in England. Mish. 5 million people.
Scotland.
Scotland. Okay, thank you. Alon. Nothing is actually in these two blanks. Wales. What is the population of Wales?
3 million.
3 million people. About 3 million people. Anut. Northern Ireland. How many people live there? 1.5 million people. Exactly right you are. Were there any mistakes? Everyone completed it. Okay. Filling in the gaps. Now I want you to change your handouts with your partner. Capital population, head of government lives at and head of state lives in. Mind the prepositions, please. Marin. What about the capital of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland? It is London. Right you are. Okay, and what is the population of the United Kingdom?
58.
Over 58 million people, exactly. Let's write it. Over 58. It means more than 58 million people. 58 okay, that's enough. Oh, put the whole word million. Head of government. Mish. This is that's not the head of government, that's head of state. Head of state is the queen, put it here, the queen. E, not I, but E. Let's put it with a definite article. The queen, because she is the only queen of the United Kingdom. Exactly, and we usually put the capital letter here. The queen is the head of state, and who knows the head of the government? Let's try. The Prime Minister. Can you write it? Let's try, Marin. The Prime Minister is the head of government. Prime Minister, we should omit S, Prime Minister. Let's put it with a capital letter. Minister. Prime Minister. That's also I here. Prime Minister is the head of government. Where does he live? Where does he live, Anne?
House of Parliament.
He lives near the Houses of Parliament, but he lives at 10 Downing Street. 10 Downing Street. Please, if there are any mistakes, in the handouts of your partners, correct them. Head of state, the Queen, where does she live when she is in London?
Live in Buckingham.
She
lives in
Buckingham Palace, exactly. Let's put it down. Buckingham Palace. That's her residence when she's in London. Okay, done with it. We may pass on to another exercise. The last, but not the least, actually. Complete the sentences with the numbers from the box. We should write it in the red ink. Mish, take the first one. Sentence A. Correct. Let's read it aloud. Over 75%.
75% of the land in Britain is
Farmland. Percent. Exactly. Pauline, take sentence B. Let's cross it here, not to mix up. Only 2%. Continue reading.
Of the working population are farmers.
Are farmers. Exactly. C. Maria. Britain has
10 national parks.
10 national parks. Don't mix the pronunciation. Let's thank you. Repeat after me, please. A. Nation. Nation. Нация, народ. National. National parks. Национальный. Совершенно верно. Right you are. D. Вероник.
National parks cover
9%
9%
of Britain. Cross it out here. 9 and 10 as well. The last sentence, please. Anyut. E.
the 24 million
Foreign tourists
tourists come to Britain every year.
come to Britain every year. Thank you very much. Great job. I appreciate your work. Tell me, please, foreign. How can we translate this adjective into Russian? Иностранный, совершенно верно, foreign. Thank you, well done. Now it's high time to check your memory. Please, I want you to work in small groups. Actually, there are not so many of you. Your task is to make up 4 groups. 1 group, the 2nd group, the 3rd group. Mash, will you join Polina and Misha, please? Take the chair, put it here. Mish, help us, please. Would you be a gentleman and move the chair here? There are 3 of you. All in all, we have 4 groups. This is for you. This is for you. That's for you. And this is for you. I will explain everything. Each group will get a felt pen. You should put down the name of this part of the United Kingdom, glue with a glue stick the right name of the capital. You can see the point on each part of the map. This is the place of the capital. So you shouldn't mix it up. And then you should choose the right symbol of your part. Look through all the symbols and through all the names of the capitals. I will put this map away for you not to distract. Otherwise, it won't be honest. Okay, work in pairs and discuss it, please. Work hard, discuss it together with your partner. London, you should put it near this point. This is what part of the United Kingdom? Wales? Do you think so? Do you think so that this is Wales? Ready?
Yes.
Nice pictures. Okay, ready? Marina, Alin, are you ready? Not yet? Now we are to put all the parts of the map together on the blackboard. Magnets will come in handy. Please, let's start from the biggest part of the United Kingdom. Come up here, all together. Put it somewhere in the middle of the blackboard. Somewhere in the middle of the blackboard. Okay. Then, your group, please. Yes, it is. Who's next, please? Girls, Anya and Veronica. Take them, please. One magnet is enough? Okay, sure. Alin, come up here. Where should we put it? Have a look here. Somewhere here, exactly. Just like this. Okay, wonderful map, great job. You did your best, I suppose. Let us revise all the capitals of these 4 parts. Scotland. Edinburgh. London. London is the capital of what part? England, exactly. Belfast. Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland, exactly. We'll put it here. Northern Ireland, not to mix it up. What about Wales? The capital of Wales is Cardiff, exactly. Great job, well done. Now I want to check your memory. I suppose that you have got a good memory, though we should use our magic box. Each of you should take one card, open it, read the question aloud. If you know the answer, give it please immediately. If you hesitate, we'll ask for the help of the others. Okay, who wants to be the first? Don't be afraid, Anya. The bravest.
Why do you think the UK is called an island state?
An island state, exactly. Why do you think the UK is called an island state?
Because I think because
England,
it is island
the UK is washed by
sea and
by the
north.
North Sea, by the Irish Sea, by the Atlantic Ocean, exactly,
And
by the English Channel. It's actually separated from France. Okay, thank you. Who's next? Veronica? What's there in your card?
how many national flags are there in Britain? There are 10 national flags in the region.
Okay, well done, Mish. It's your turn.
What is Liverpool famous for?
What is Liverpool famous for? It is famous for
It is famous for
what group? For the Beatles, exactly right you are. And it is a port as well.
it is Stratford-upon-Avon
Stratford-upon-Avon.
famous for.
What is Stratford-upon-Avon famous for? A famous English writer. He was born in Stratford-upon-Avon. What is his name? William Shakespeare, exactly. Polina, choose one card, please.
What is the symbol of Scotland?
What is the symbol of Scotland? The symbol of Scotland is a thistle. Exactly, thistle. Чертополох, okay? Put it here, please.
What separates the UK
What separates the UK, the United Kingdom, from Europe? The French call it La Manche, and the English call it... Come up here, Mash. Come up here. Have a look. This is the United Kingdom. This is France. Actually, part of Europe we can see on this map. It is the English Channel. The English Channel, thank you, separates the UK from Europe. Don't be afraid.
Wales and English, these are two different languages, or they are
Similar. Welsh and English, these are two different languages, or they are similar? What do you think?
Welsh and English have two languages.
They are two different languages. It is really difficult to understand those people who speak Welsh if you know only English. Okay, and the last question, please, Veronique. Choose one card, the last one.
What countries does the UK consist of?
Okay, that's the general question. The revision of all our topic, please.
The UK consists of
Consists of
England, Scotland, Wales, and
Northern
Northern Ireland.
Ireland. It's difficult to see it here. Okay, take your seat, please. Thank you very much for today's lesson. I really appreciate your work and hope that you enjoyed our topic, the United Kingdom. We've revised the weather together with you. Thank you. You may be free. Уважаемые коллеги, закончено учебное занятие по теме «Соединенное Королевство Великобритании и Северной Ирландии» в 5 классе. Это занятие овладение предметными умениями с применением метапредметных знаний, повторением и закреплением пройденного материала. Цель – применение предметных знаний и универсальных учебных действий в условиях выполнения практических заданий, а именно развитие коммуникативной компетенции, расширение кругозора в области страноведения, мотивация на изучение культуры англоговорящей страны. Цели задачи определены с учетом особенностей изучаемого материала и места данного занятия по заявленной теме. Идеи были доведены до учащихся. Выбор структуры занятия связан с обоснованием ее оптимальности, а также с местом данного занятия среди других. Все этапы были логически взаимосвязаны и последовательны. Учащиеся смогли обобщить и систематизировать полученные знания по пройденному материалу. При проведении открытого занятия учитывались индивидуальные особенности образовательной подготовки учеников, их отношение к учебе, активность и работоспособность, навыки, умения и, конечно же, интерес к изучаемому предмету. Все формы и методы работы были избраны с учетом конкретных особенностей учащихся. Конечно, это создало и определенные трудности в работе с группой. В ходе занятия использовались следующие виды работы: индивидуальная, фронтальная, групповая и работа в парах. И такие методы, как наглядный, слайды, практический, тренировочные упражнения, практические задания, метод самостоятельной работы, выполнение упражнений и метод стимулирования, одобрение, поощрение и похвала. На занятии использованы информационные средства. Это мультимедийная презентация и видеофрагмент о Великобритании. Это обеспечило мотивацию к изучению английского языка. Атмосфера была спокойной, доброжелательной и творческой. В целом, заявленные задачи выполнены и поставленная цель реализована. Перегрузки учащихся как физической, так и психологической не было, благодаря смене видов деятельности и форм работы.